Everyone says you need skills to use AI. That's not true. What you really need is clarity. Most beginners quit AI in the first week, not because AI is hard, but because YouTube makes it look complicated. All you see are videos about coding, automation, complex prompts, and APIs. But that's not where beginners should start. You get overwhelmed by all this technical stuff and think, this isn't for me. The truth is, that's expert-level thinking, and it's the biggest lie beginners believe. You end up feeling stuck, thinking you need to learn 100 different things before you can even get started. So you give up, convinced that AI is just for the tech geniuses. But that's not the reality at all. The real way beginners use AI is simple. They don't create from scratch, they assist people who already need help. Think about it. There are countless busy professionals, small business owners, and students out there who are drowning in small, time-consuming tasks. They don't have the time or energy to do it all themselves. That's where you come in. You become their assistant, and AI becomes your tool. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write simple emails for a small business owner. They tell you what to say, and you use AI to draft a professional, well-written message in seconds. No writing skills needed. Or maybe a content creator has a bunch of voice notes with amazing ideas. You can take those audio files, get them transcribed, and then use ChatGPT to turn them into organized blog posts or social media captions. You're not creating the ideas, you're just structuring them. You could also help an online store owner by rewriting their product descriptions to be more engaging. They give you the basic info, and you use AI to make it shine. Or imagine a student who has to read a massive 50-page PDF for a class. You can summarize the entire document into key bullet points for them in minutes. You can even help a new freelancer on a platform like Fiverr by generating a list of compelling gig ideas they could offer. All of this is done using the free version of ChatGPT. There are no special skills, no coding, and no complex prompt engineering required. You are simply using a powerful tool to help solve simple problems. So, how do beginners actually make money with this? It's a common misconception that you need to sell AI services. Beginners don't sell AI services, they sell time savings. Your clients aren't paying you to be an AI expert, they are paying you to give them back their most valuable resource, their time. Instead of offering a service called AI email automation, you simply say, I'll reply to your emails for you. Instead of AI content regeneration, you say, I'll rewrite your content to make it better. Your offer is clear and direct. I'll organize your notes. I'll summarize these reports for you. I'll generate fresh ideas for your business. You focus on the outcome, not the process. AI does the heavy lifting in the background, allowing you to deliver the result quickly and efficiently. You become the reliable person who gets things done, and your clients will love you for it. They don't need to know or care about the tools you use, as long as you deliver high-quality work that saves them time and stress. You might be wondering if this is a sustainable path. Why will this still work in 2026 and beyond? Because the world is only getting faster. In the near future, people won't care how smart you are or what fancy tools you know. They will care about how fast you can help them solve their problems. Speed and reliability will be the most valuable currencies. And here's a comforting thought. AI doesn't replace beginners. It protects them. It gives you a massive advantage by allowing you to compete with people who have years of experience. With AI as your partner, you can deliver work at a professional level from day one. You're not just a beginner anymore, you're an AI-powered problem solver. If you want to learn real AI methods that actually work for beginners, not the confusing hype you see everywhere else, subscribe to my channel. I'm here to share what truly works, so you can start your journey with confidence. Thanks for watching.